Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Serie A in USA. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, once you open your browser, on the search bar, we are going to search for how to watch Serie A in USA. So after that, click on enter. And then in this part, you should be able to see where you will be able to watch Serie A. So as you can see right here, it is currently streaming on a Paramount Plus and a DAZN. So all you have to do is to choose the platform that you want to use. And then let's say for example that we have chosen Paramount Plus. So we're going to search for Paramount Plus Serie A and then click on enter. After that, you will be able to see this. So just click on the first link. And then after you do that, you will now be able to see the matches inside right here. However, of course, we'll have to sign in into their platform first. So if you already have an account, you just have to click on sign in right here. But if you don't have an account yet, we're going to click on get started. So once you click on get started, of course, we'll have to avail their subscription. So just choose the subscription that you want to avail. So let's say, for example, we want to avail this. So we're going to click on continue. So we're going to put our name, and then of course our email, and then of course our password, and then our gender, and then click on agree and continue. After that, what we're going to do is to put our payment method. So just scroll down and then you should now be able to see the payment method right here. If you want to pay through credit card or debit card, you will click this and then of course we'll put our information and then our credit card number and a bunch more information. So after you do that, we're going to click on subscribe. And then once you click on subscribe and it went through successfully, you will now be able to watch Serie A inside Paramount Plus. So all you have to do is to wait for Serie A to start streaming. And then after that, you will now be able to watch it through your phone, through your TV, and even your computer. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.